see really well. So today is the day I'm going to share with you how I store all of my underwears. Remember, I told you guys I minimize my underwear, so I only have 14 pairs of underwears. In here is 12. I have one pair on, and there's one pair in the hamper that I put in there last night. And these are my bras, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have one on, and I think I got, hold on, one in the hamper, and then I have my butterfly bra. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one on and one in the hamper. So there's 6 bras, and then I have 14 underwears. Now this is why most people probably like, oh, she's being anal. No, I'm trying to save space. This little basket here is a basket that I got from Aldi's, and my underwears fit, but I don't like the way they look. So let me show you how I store them, because at first I was doing this, but when they fall out when I open the drawer, I didn't like it. So let me show you why I love this method. My roll method. Do you see? All of these are in here. That's a black pair if you can't see. All of these are in here, and I still have space. I can literally scoot these over and get more underwears in here. The roll method I showed you guys with the towels, ways that you can save space with towels. If you are in a small space like myself and you're trying to preserve space or utilize your space to the best of your ability, roll your items. Rolling can be used for multiple things. So roll them and see that you can get a more compact space to fit a lot more items. So let me show you how I roll them. So basically they're folded up, and this is another pair. They're not, like I said, I got one on, which will always be on, and then this one and another one. So 2 more pairs can go in here. So basically you fold them in half, right? Once you fold them in half like that, you fold them this way. Once you fold them like that, hold on one second. You fold them in half, fold them this way, and then you take it this way like that, and then you tightly roll them like so. And there you have your roll underwears, and then you just nicely tuck it in here. So let me show you. These are the only underwears I have, and then I have about a couple pair, and I'll show you that in a second, that are my little kinky pair, but these are just everyday wear. So hold on, guys. Nightstand, just to show you, this is actually the nightstand, and this is my drawer. So here go all my underwears, all my bras. I got leg warmers. I got one pair of leg warmers that's out, a black pair. And I have all my little socks here, because I like little ankle socks. But when it gets cold, I do like to put the leg warmers over my leg, because you know it gets cold here. I have 2 pairs of footies, these ones. Then I also have these. And then I have an extra set here. Sometimes I give those to people when they come visit if they need something on their feet. Then these are my little kinky underwears, and I don't have many of them. This is it. These are, I think it may be, sorry for that noise, it may be about 5 or 6 pair. Then these are some little ankle socks, no show for like flats. I hardly ever wear, but just in case they're there. And it's okay to have just in case when you don't wear, when you minimize like this. So that's okay. I have one drawer. You know, I know women who have just one drawer full of this, and that used to be me. And then I had one drawer of just socks. Then I had one drawer of just stockings and stuff like that. Then these are my little cute little footies that I haven't even worn. And I told myself if I don't wear these in the next month or so, I'm going to bless somebody with these. So little ankle footies, stocking thingies. Then over here I have tights that I haven't worn yet. I be so busy working that I don't have time to really wear them. And these are all decorative, like different tights and stuff. And that's it. That is my drawer of underwears and underclothes and my nightstand. So it's not big at all. You see the size of my hand? It's not big at all. You can minimize. I'm not saying you need to be a minimalist, but you can minimize what you have. This right here, when I open this, it doesn't make me feel some type of way. I see all my underwears. I don't have to feel around for them. I see all my footies. I know my footies and my little kinky underwear are there. My socks are here. My warmers are here. If I decide to wear those are there. All my bras are there. That's everything. You don't need a whole bunch. And I'm currently in a set now. So think about it. These are not even being worn. They're just sitting here waiting for me to grab another one. You don't need a million underwear. You don't need a million bras. You don't need a million socks. You don't need a million footies and a million different things for no reason. You can minimize. Minimalization does not mean you have to become a minimalist. It just means that you are removing too much things from your house. So I hope this encourages you to try my roll method, to try to minimize and get your stuff down to a amount that is good and not overwhelming to your brain. So I will talk to you guys later, and if you're seeing this video, you can definitely go check out my other channel because my inspiration for the week should be up and loaded on the CPR Vibe. Talk to you guys later. All right, guys, this is where your girl is on social media. I also have another channel. If you are new to this channel, the link is in the description box. It is the CPR Vibe channel. Lots of great inspiration and motivation over there. But before you head over, check out these videos.